So right now we are on Wix.com. Wix.com is the platform that I personally like to use to create websites for people. I have used other website platforms. I found that I prefer the flexibility that Wix provides. You can literally start your website from scratch and put what you want wherever you want it. Other platforms don't really provide, or at least the site what I've used, I found they don't really provide as much flexibility as I found when using Wix. So right now we're on this screen that's part of a website I'm creating for someone. She has a cake studio, and as you can see, this is the finished look of what we did. So we're going to start with a completely blank page. Okay, so first thing we need to do is we need to create a page for her gallery. So if you look up here, you can see you have this little horizontal menu, home, about, order, contact. These are all the pages that I've created for her website. So in order to add another page to this, you're going to click this button right here, pages and menus, and you see you have your list of pages that are also in your navigation bar. All you're going to do is add a page, and it'll immediately bring up a blank canvas for you, and you just rename it what you want. We're going to call it her creation that's not spelled gallery. Enter, boom, your page is created. The next thing you want to do is you want to change your page background. So Wix gives you a bunch of cool options to choose from with your background. You have a lot of flexibility. Like I said, you can choose a color, an image, a video. I personally like animated backgrounds, but we're not going to do that for this website. And this is just a demo idea for her website, just to run it by her and see if she likes it. It's just a thought that I had. So it may not make it into the end result of her website, but it is something cool to just create. So you're going to choose an image for your background. And like I said, Wix gives you a bunch of cool options to choose from. You can choose from images. You have illustrations that are like drawings and whatnot. You also have, please excuse my internet's kind of slow. You have patterns. You have textures that you can choose from. All type of cool different things to really run wild with your imagination. But like I said, I had this image in mind that I wanted, so I saved it to my gallery, and we're going to change the background to that. Boom, your background is changed. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to add in your cake stand. Once again, you're going to go over here to this menu in your Wix bar, and this time you're going to go to the addition symbol, and this is how you add things to your website. And as you can see, you have a bunch of different things that you can add. Your gallery, we're also going to be using that. Decorative items, little nicks and knacks to kind of, give the website some pizzazz. For our purposes right now, we want to add an image. The cake stand was also an image that I had to find on my own. Wix did not really have what I was looking for the look. So as you can see, I saved this image under stand. We're going to add that image to your page. Boom, you have your cake stand. Let's go ahead and size this out. We want to make it a little bit bigger. Simple click, drag, and drop. You can bring it down just a little bit. You still need room for your banner. If you can see this purple line right here, this like fuchsia line. I don't know. I'm colorblind. I'm not, but I can't see. This lets you know where you are in the page. So this is telling you that you're aligned in the middle of the page, which is what we want. Now we have our cake stand set up. Boom. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add in our rotating images. To do this, once again, we're going to go to our addition symbol or our add button. And this time we're going to add a gallery. You have all type of cool galleries to choose from. I like this one, the Slider Spears. However, I wanted something more of a 3D look for this. So we're going to use this 3D carousel right here. And we're just going to click it and we're going to resize it. If I can find the button that lets you, oh, here we go. And we're just going to make it smaller, kind of size it to fit, the look. And then we're just going to copy and paste for the remaining slots. And paste one down here. Kind of scale it a little bit. Let's see. All right, let's see how that looks. We can preview using this button right here. All right, good enough for now. Like you see up here, you need space for your banner. So what we're going to do is we're just going to drag this down a little bit. We're going to bring all of our images back to where they need to be. All right. Just some simple repositioning. All right. So now you have your gallery set up, and now you have your cake stand set up. Now you want to replace these images with images of the actual content you want to use by clicking the carousel itself and click change image. So they come with these automatically populated images. You can just get rid of these by clicking the trash can, remove, 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 and you're going to add your own images in. Keep in mind we have 3 layers, so you want to put a decent amount on each row, but don't put all of them on one row because you still want to populate those other rows. So we're just going to click one image, and then if you hold the control button on your keypad, you can click multiple images. So we're just going to go all the way through. Oops, this one didn't click. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Fuck. Oh, not fuck. And click that one. Are they clicked? All right, you're gonna add that to the gallery. Done. And boom, it's populated. You're gonna do the same thing with the second row. Remove, remove, remove. Yuck. Bye. Ill. Add images. I don't remember where we left off. Oh, right here. Hold that control key down, click, 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 boom, bam, boom, boom, clap, de clap. Oh, that's the same image, blah, blah. Wow, what am I clicking? Boom, 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 boom. And then add to gallery. This is the same image. I don't know if I missed any other ones, but done. And then same thing here, change images. Delete this mess out of my life. Goodbye. Add images. And where did we leave off at? Did we do this one? No, we're gonna do this. We may have done this one already. I don't remember, whatever. And then add to gallery. Done. All right, so now you have your cake stand populated with images of your creations. All right, now we want to add in our banner. So we're going to go back to this add button. The ad is going to be your best friend. And we're going to add a decorative item. And this is going to be a basic shape. As you can see, you can do more basic shapes here. And now let's find our preferred image. You have a bunch of options to choose from. Hey, Mickey Mouse. And boom, here's our banner. Frame, gonna add to page. Now let's go ahead, bring that up, make it bigger, make it wider. All right. Okay. And in order to edit actual elements on there, as you can see, like we did when we wanted to edit the carousel, we clicked it. You click what you want to edit, and you have the different ways you can edit things. So if you want to change the shape, you can, the settings, the design, any animations, or if you want to link it to something. So what we're going to do right now is we want to change the design of it. The black that it comes with is not really black. You know how there's like off black, then there's like jet black. We want it jet black. So let's go to the colors and let's make it jet black. If you can see the difference from that black and this black, we wanted a nice, clean, smooth jet black. All right, so boom, very simple. There's our banner. Once again, we're going back to the add button, and now we're going to add text. Honestly, it does not matter which text you choose. You can edit it all of the same. Let's just click a pre-made text. Let's go ahead, click it, edit text. We want to change the color to something we can see. Obviously, we want to make it white. White pops so well on black. And we're gonna name it Kay's Creations for now. This may change. This may not even be on the website, like I said, at the end of it. However, we're just going with it. Oh, oops, too big. So changing the font size. Let's position it So it's semi in the center, and then the banner obviously doesn't need to be that big. All right, let's see how it's looking right now. Preview. All right, back to editor. So we're gonna do some little, some pizzazz with it. Let's add, a line just to kind of, give it some fluff. So we're gonna do this double line right here. We're gonna click it. Ah! All right, let's try that again. We're gonna click it. Gotta be careful, y'all. And we're gonna position it where we want it, make it bigger, bring them to all the way to the bottom of the page. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna change the design of it, customize the design, and we're gonna change it to that nice jet black color we were talking about. So we don't have to recreate it. We're just gonna right click, we're gonna copy, and we're going to paste it. Oops, don't want to click the wrong thing. And then we're gonna drag that back on the other side. And as you can see, Wix tells you that it's exactly it's an even distance apart by the fuchsia line or whatever the fuck color it is. So boom, you're gonna place your line right there. And then we're also going to add a horizontal line at the bottom of it. Where did the line go? And make sure you don't click the wrong thing. Make sure line is clicked. And we're gonna extend that to the page to give it like this little border look. Then you want to bring your vertical lines down to meet your horizontal line. Vertical line down to meet your horizontal line. All right, now you have it framed and bordered and whatnot. Let's make these lines a little bit thicker. Go to design, customize the design, border, the top line width. You want to make that a little bit thicker, do 8. Gonna make the second line 3. Then you're gonna do the same thing here. Customize border. You're gonna make that 8 and bottom line 3. All right. See, everything's looking good so far. Now, let's go to the preview, and if you can see, or if you can tell, when you click on your gallery, you can scroll. However, you can't get a real good look at the images. You just have to look at it in the gallery. So we want to change that. So we want to go back to editor, and what we want to do, and we're going to have to do this for every carousel. We're going to click it. We're going to click settings. And let's speed it up a little bit, maybe 4.5 seconds. When clicked, nothing happens. It's automatically selected. We're going to click that. They open in a pop-up. We're going to do the same thing for each one. How long did we make it? We're in whatever, I don't know. They open in a pop-up. Settings. They open in a pop-up. All right. So now when you preview, you can scroll. And if you see something that happens to catch your eye, you can go ahead and click. So that was it, really, the gist of it. Just a little small quick tutorial on how I did this cake stand creation for this website, and that's it.